let's use the sort function to dynamically sort our data. So go ahead and type equals sort, and then this will take 3 parameters. Our first one is going to be the data in which we want to sort, so go ahead and highlight your entire table. The second one is going to be the sort index, so this is going to be the column where you want to sort. First, let's take a look at the top reps, and we'll sort these alphabetically. So in this case, we want to sort by the first column, so go ahead and type 1, and then we'll go ahead and do ascending, so type a 1 in here. So now this will sort it alphabetically by the reps, so it starts with A, goes all the way to S. Now, if we wanted to look at the top sales, we can do that as well. So go in here, instead of our first column, we want to change it to sorting by our second column. So change this to a 2 and hit enter. And notice how it's going from smallest to biggest. That's because we still have a 1 in here, which is ascending. So if we wanted to have it the biggest to the smallest, we need to change this to a -1. And notice how it goes from the biggest to the smallest. If we were to change Stanley's sales numbers from 9,000, and let's say it's the largest, we'll say 50,000. Notice how he goes to the top dynamically.